Capcut is a powerful video editing app that offers a wide range of tools to help you create stunning videos right from your mobile device. To start editing, simply open the app and tap on New Project to import your clips or photos. Once your media is added to the timeline, you can begin basic edits like trimming, splitting, adjusting speed, or removing unnecessary parts. If you want to enhance your video, tap on the text option to add captions or animated titles, and explore the audio tab to add background music or sound effects from Capcut's library. For smoother transitions between clips, tap the white box between segments and choose from a variety of built-in transition effects like fade, zoom, or swipe. Capcut also supports trendy effects and filters. Go to the effects section to add cinematic visuals or fun distortions. If you prefer ready-made designs, explore the templates section where you can search for popular edits like candy, style, or velocity. Just select one and add your media to instantly apply the effect. For advanced users, tools like overlays, chroma key for green screen, and keyframe animation allow even more customization and control. Once your video is ready, tap the export icon on the top right, select your desired resolution and frame rate, and save the video to your device. Capcut makes video editing accessible and creative for everyone.